Right, welcome to Zimbabwe. Welcome to Wange Rural District. We're here in Matipele North Province, on the western side of Zimbabwe. People really want to understand our project, what we are trying to develop. In a nutshell, we'll summarize what this project is all about. So we've had 7 years here, right, trying to develop. This is the next generation of African villages. So, in a nutshell, we are saying Zimbabwe would look like this in 10 years' time. In 10 years' time, the whole country from Zambezi to Limpopo will look like this. Yes, and people will say we are building castles in the air. We are saying no, we are not building castles in the air. It's possible, but it might not happen, or it will happen. But the thing that we are saying is we're talking from practical experience. So we are saying the whole country, the rural communities will catch up with the rest of the world in Zimbabwe and level up. We are using things from around us. We are just using stones, we're just picking logs, dry logs, to develop our villages. So we are not spending as much in terms of money. So it's very physically possible to do that. But the hiccups to that development will be the consensus, whether the people would want this kind of development, or whether the policymakers will also buy to that idea of developing rural communities to a standards that will match anyone around the world. And it might remain a pipe dream, but as far as this village is concerned, we are pushing. We'll push Zimbabwe to a time that is never, rural Zimbabwe, in fact, to a time that is not yet been seen. And we are here on the ground to make sure that it happens, that Zimbabwe will level up. And those people that really talk about Zimbabwe as poor and impoverished, they'll probably come here for a lesson, and they will appreciate Zimbabwe better. It is Zimbabweans that will build Zimbabwe. It is Zimbabweans that will push Zimbabwe forward. It is Zimbabweans that will put Zimbabwe on the world map. And we are here. That's our job. We wake up every day to put Zimbabwe back on the world map. We'll never rest until that is done. But what we see here is it's a village that will be able to sustain itself. Right? It's a village that will sustain itself, and you can see from the background the guys are already working. You can just see they're working right in the background. Right. So they okay. So those people really who are looking for 5-star facilities, when they go out on holidays, they want 5-star facilities. We want to match those 5-star facilities in rural Zimbabwe. It might not be now, but that's our aim, to match that. So for someone looking for a 5-star accommodation, there won't be any difference coming in rural Zimbabwe. So you come to the communities. So by coming to in rural areas, you are going to empower the rural people here. They are going to benefit. They will move away from sustaining themselves in wildlife and cutting trees and something mopani trees. They will move away because we have created something that is sustainable. So your visit here impacts directly to the communities here around Wange. The traditional dancers, the stone sculptures, the cavers, all those things. The people that work here are local people. So we are saying this is the way forward for Zimbabwe. And it is Zimbabweans that will build it. And by the way, my name is Taku. I hopefully we will see you when you visit us here at Lanilo Cultural Village. Thank you for listening. Bye.